Hello, children. So, today I am here with your new chapter, that is Microsoft Word. We will be completing this chapter in two parts, and here is the first part. Before starting, we should understand what is the meaning of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, or it is also known as MS Word, is a word processor package. It is one of the programs from MS Office. Children, MS Office is a very famous software and it has many other programs like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So, in this chapter, we will study about Microsoft Word in detail. Before starting, we should understand the usage of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word can be used to type letters, stories, news, reports, and various other documents in a simple way. We can even correct our typing mistakes or the spelling mistakes which occurred while typing the text. We can even edit the text and make the desired changes which we want. We can insert pictures in the document, we can cut, copy and paste the text in the document, and we can even save and print the documents. So, first we will study how to start MS Word. Children, in this chapter, we are using Microsoft Word 2013 version. So, this MS Word can be started in two manners. Either you can start it simply by clicking over the icon of the Microsoft Office Word present on the desktop, or you can start it through the start menu. As you can see here in the bottom left part, there's a circular sign. Alright, that is the start menu. So first we need to click on the start button. Then we click on the all programs option. Then we'll go to the Microsoft Office 2013 and then MS Word 2013 document will appear. So this Microsoft Word window has many features. This is the screen, the below screen which you can see, we call it as a window. So this window has many features. We will study them one by one. First, you can see there's a file tab which is present in the top left corner. This file tab helps us to open or save files, create new document or print a document. Then you can see a small toolbar at the top right corner of the MS Word, which is known as Quick Access Toolbar. It contains shortcuts for some of the most common commands. Then you can see the document title, which is present in the top middle bar at the MS Word window. It identifies the Word program running and the name of the active document. Generally, when we open a blank document, it opens with document 1. Okay, that is its common name. Then in this side, you can see three options are there. This is the minimize button. Then you can see the restore or maximize button, and then is a close button. So these buttons helps us to shrink the application window or to maximize the application window. And the close button, or we can also call it as quit button, this button closes MS Word. When our work is finished, we can simply click on this button. Then you can see ribbon. Ribbon is located just below the title bar. It functions as a combination of menu bar and toolbar. And this ribbon contains various commands which you can easily use. And about these commands, we will study in our further part. Below you can see a bar is there which is known as status bar. This status bar tells information about the document and provides shortcut for changing the view and the zoom. In the center, this large area which you can see is the area where we type. This place is known as the working area or the document area, and here you can see the flashing vertical bar which is known as insertion point, and it represents the location where the text will appear when you type. So now we'll study how to create a new document. A new blank document always opens when you start Microsoft Word. But suppose that you want to start another new document. So in that case, what you can do is click the File tab and select New option, as you can clearly see in this screen. When you select New option from the first column, it will display list of icons. From this list of icons, you click on blank document icon, which is the very first option here. And a blank document opens and is ready to accept your text. Then how to insert text in a document? When a new document appears on the screen, you will see a blinking cursor. As we have already studied, that blinking cursor is known as insertion point. Here also you can see. You can start typing your text. When you start typing, the blinking cursor automatically moves to the right after typing the letters. When the line becomes full of words, it automatically shifts to the next line, and further you can continue. Press, or if you want to type from a new line, you simply press Enter key. Next, saving a document. When you have done your typing in your new Word document, you can save your document. For that, you can click the File tab and select Save As option. A dialog box will appear like this, and it will ask you to provide a file name. So you can give your own file name, and then you click on the Save button. There is a shortcut key to save the document, which is you can simply press Ctrl+S key and your document will get saved. Next, copying and moving text. Children, MS Word allows you to copy text which you have already written in your document, and you can paste it to another area of your document, and then you can save it also. And it also helps you to cut and paste the document. For that, what you need to do is just select the document which you want to copy or cut, and then take the cursor to the next place, the desired location where you want to paste that particular text. And there are several shortcuts, like for cut, there is a shortcut key which is known as Ctrl+X. For copy, you can simply press Ctrl+C, it will copy. And for paste, you can simply press Ctrl+V. And in this picture, as you can see, there signs are there where you can simply cut, copy or paste from these options. Next, editing a document. Children, editing of document include various things, like you can edit or you can do any changes which you want to do in your document. You can even format the text, you can even replace the spellings using spelling checking check tool, and many more. So about this formatting and all, we will study in detail in our second part. When you finish working in a document, you have to close it. So closing a document removes it from your computer screen. For that, what you can do is you click on the File tab and select Close option from there. And or you can simply use this Close button and you can close your document. Suppose you have not saved your document. In that case, a prompt box will appear and it will ask you whether you want to save the changes which you have done in your document. You can answer yes or no, and then you can move further. Opening a document. If you have saved the document, you can open it anytime. Simply click open option from the file tab menu and an open dialog box appears on the screen, and from there you can select the document which you want to open, as you can see here. Then after finishing your work, you have to exit the MS Word. So what can be done is, first of all, be sure that you have saved your document. Then click file tab, click close option from it, and if you have not saved your work, MS Word will ask you to save it. You can also exit MS Word quickly by simply clicking this close button. And again, there is a shortcut key for exiting MS Word, that is Alt plus F4. Alright children, so with this we complete our first part, and soon I will come with the second part, and then your chapter will get over. So take care of yourself, just revise whatever I have taught, and if you have laptop and computer at home, you can also open MS Word and give it a try, like how to type and how to open a document, how to close a document. Just try to do it by your own. So, and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a good day.